little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color an awesome school building together.
Yay!
Are you excited? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle of your page. This will be the front part of the school building. Now, draw a wider rectangle behind the first one to show the main building in the back. At the bottom of the buildings, draw small bumpy lines for bushes. In the center of the front building, draw a door. Add a few small steps in front of the door. Draw 7 rectangles or arches for windows in the front building. Above the door, draw a small circle and add the clock hands inside. At the very top, draw a rectangle and inside it, write "School" in big letters. On both sides of the back building, draw 4 windows. Fill in the bottom with more bushes to make it look beautiful. Finally, draw a triangle flag on top of the school building. Great job, everyone! Now let's make our artwork bold and sharp by outlining everything with the black marker. Doesn't it look amazing? Time to bring our school to life with colors. Let's use rainbow colors to make it bright and cheerful. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Yay!
Pink color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your school building looks incredible. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with your friends and family. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.